how private label content can benefit you. If you are looking for a way to take your website to the next level, you may want to consider using private label rights content. This craze has picked up over the last year or so, and there is no sign of it slowing down in the near future. The main reason that this trend has become so popular is quite simple. When you use private label rights content, you will have the ability to update your site with new content every month. This means that you will never again have to worry about your site getting stale due to the same old information. In addition, you will never have to write another article. All of your private label rights content is delivered to you direct each month, and then all you have to do is post it to your site. But even though you can simply get the content from your provider and post it, there are other ways that you can take advantage of private label rights content. Simply put, you do not have to settle for the content the way it is. When you have private label rights, you can do your articles whatever way you please. A few of the more common modification methods are as follows. 1. Basic edits can be done to any of the content that you receive. This means that if you do not like the sentence structure, you can simply change things around to suit your needs. In addition, you can also take out any information that may not be pertinent to your site. This is also helpful if you are dealing with size constraints on the content that you are posting on your site. 2. If you do not feel that an article goes well with the rest of your content, you can simply keep the main ideas and reword everything else. Even though this may take a few minutes, it is well worth it. 3. Adding words to private label rights content is also very common. If there is something missing, you can simply insert it where necessary and continue on. Also, if an article is not long enough to suit your needs, you can add to it in order to meet your size requirements. The thing to remember is that with private label rights content, you can modify them however you want. The content is yours to play with, and you can make it work for your particular site in whichever way you deem necessary. In addition to modifying your content in order to make it more suitable to your needs, you may also want to look into using it in other ways. Since the content is yours, you can do things such as create ebooks or online courses. This is a great way to start up an additional stream of income without much hassle at all. Overall, private label rights content is something that you should look into if you have a website. This is one of the best ways to keep your site up to date and current.